I'm going to show you today how to set the pan tension on your Select to Catch 1000 unit. A lot of times it's nice to do it at home before you even go out in the field. I like just to lay it on a flat surface against your knees. Take your hammer, firmly pull down and set. I like to use the safety nail provided with the unit to test the pan. That one's a little stiff. And this way with that nail it's not sliding back every time, which is hard on the unit. So what we do here is we have, this is to test the pressure of a fan belt. We have a gauge and we push down, see where it go off. Now this one is like right about 25 pounds, which for a bear would be fine. You could tighten it up just a tiny bit. But say you wanted to catch a coyote or something smaller, you take this, or you take a crescent wrench or your Leatherman or whatever, and you loosen that up a little bit and try it again. Now if you don't have one of these, you can just kind of go by feel. That's still a little stiff for a coyote. Might be just right for a wolf or a lion. Let's just try this. And that's right at 15 pounds, which is what we send out with wolves and lions. Okay, so before I set that again, I'll loosen it up just a little more. Reset. That's just about perfect. Again. And that's showing there just about 6 pounds. You could go a tiny bit lighter, but so if you don't have one of these, that's a good way to test your unit before going out in the field. Get it all set to go, so when you're out there, all you have to do is set it and you're done. And there again, when you're all finished, take your nail out and I just like to press. It's a lot easier on the unit, so the springs will stay intact and have many years of service.